Hi, my name is Eric Jensen. In the Introduction to Survey Design live online workshop, you'll get the opportunity to develop your survey questions with expert support and in a supportive environment with other professionals who are also developing survey questions for their evaluations. In this workshop, I will give some brief refresher presentations about key ideas and concepts and practices to keep in mind when you're developing your survey design. And we'll go through step by step how you can develop a high quality survey for your evaluation. In addition to the live online workshop, you will also have access to an online self-paced course. And in this self-paced course, you'll be able to get into topics like when it is and is not appropriate to use survey methods for your evaluation. Also, when should you be using one kind of question or another kind of question? And how can you design good closed-ended survey questions and response options? We'll also talk about pilot testing and ensuring that the quality of your survey is up to a high standard. So you have all of these kinds of topics that you'll learn about in the self-paced course to supplement your learning in the live online workshop.